Hi, my name is Hossam Al-Wazzan. I am a speaker at HVAC Expo Saudi 2019. I will be speaking on transformation of project management in Industry 4.0 on Wednesday, 30 January at 5 p.m. This session will spot the light on how Industry 4.0 has brought many careers to transform and businesses to change as well, and how project management is transforming because of these variations. I will also discuss the new skills to be acquired by Industry 4.0 project managers. You will also have access to 25 other workshops presented by industry experts.